Best Juice Extractor. It's so convenient when you have the best juicer right on your countertop. You can make your favorite juices whenever you want, with the exact taste you like. So, we've pulled together a list of the best charcoal smoker available on the market. Number 1. Try Best Slow Star Vertical Slow Juicer. Featuring a powerful 200-watt motor and 3-stage speed reduction gears, Slow Star Masticating Juicer provides slow, cold-press juice extraction with 47 RPM, which results in the best, fresh juices with minimal oxidation compared with juice from centrifugal juicers. The vertical cold-press juicer features duo blade that creates 2 times more cutting action. The auger rapidly cuts and crushes your produce while extracting more juice with less pulp. Electric slow masticating cold press juicer comes with a cap that prevents leaks and drips while switching containers and is detachable for easy cleaning. Number 2. Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer Silver B6000S. Whole Slow Juicer. Kuvings' patented, 60 RPM's low-speed masticating technology will extract the maximum vitamins, minerals and enzymes. It crushes the food, then presses it to produce the highest yield without aerating it. Time saver. The 3 inches extra wide feed chute allows for larger ingredients without cutting, means less prep time. Powerful and efficient. The 240W motor is powerful, durable and works quietly. Versatile. A 3-in-1 multi-juicer, prepare juices, smoothies, baby food and nut milk. Juices everything from fruits and vegetables, herbs. Easier to enjoy fresh juice that your body absorbs about 4 times more nutrition than by eating whole fruits. Number 3. Kuvings C7000S Whole Slow Juicer Elite. Whole Slow Juicer. Its 60 RPM's low-speed masticating technology gently squeezes the ingredients from food, preserving all beneficial nutrients, prevents oxidation and allows juice to be stored up to 72 hours without degradation. Time saver. The 3 inches wide feed chute allows for larger ingredients without cutting, means less prep time. Powerful and efficient. The 240W motor is powerful, durable and works quietly. The larger pulp outlet duct reduces pulp in the extract and makes more juice. Sieve allows you to determine the amount of pulp in your juice. What's more, cleanup is a breeze. Number 4. Omega VRT 350. Low speed, 80 RPM masticating style juicing system. Juicer processes at 80 RPMs, squeezing instead of grinding. This allows the juice to maintain its pure color, natural taste, vitamins and nutrients. Dual stage juicer. First, juice is extracted by crushing the fruit or vegetable. Then, before the pulp is ejected, the pulp is squeezed during the second press stage. This results in a higher yield of juice and a very dry pulp. Economical. Since the juicer is so efficient and productive, you'll get the greatest amount of nutrient-rich juice from the least amount of fruits, vegetables, leafy greens. Number 5. Hurom Elite Slow Juicer Model HHSBB11. Hurom's newest, most advanced masticating juicer utilizes the new twin-winged auger and Hurom's second-generation patented slow squeezing technology SST, to extract 35% more juice from your foods than with traditional high-speed juicers, leaving less and drier pulp. Slow squeezing technology by Hurom gently squeezes ingredients, preserving natural taste and nutrients lost by high-speed juicers that grind and crush. Slow juicing also retains heat-sensitive nutrients such as vitamins A and C, and live enzymes. The Hurom Elite Slow Juicer can easily process hard and soft fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, wheatgrass, nuts, and soy to make a variety of juices, milks, sauces, marinades, even baby food, fresh soy milk, nut milks and tofu.